Hi, have you ever felt that your Google Drive storage is little bit insufficient for you to store more and more data? Well, in that case, today I come up with this cool trick in which you can expand your Google Drive storage without investing any money.
So what we are going to do is we will first open your Google Drive account, and so this is my Google Drive account, and you can see that 72% of the storage is already full now. So we'll make a new Google Drive account, completely fresh new Google Drive account, and here I already have another Google Drive account. So you can see over here, and what you have to do, you have to make another Google Drive account, and so that you can just open, and everything will be shown like that only. And you can see here that only 550 MB of data has been used out of 15 GB, which is provided with every new Google Drive account you make. Now what you have to do, so this is your secondary account. Okay, so let us first clear that this is our primary account and this is now our secondary Google Drive account. So what you have to do, you have to create a new folder and provide a name, say my new drive, in your secondary Google Drive account. So this is your secondary Google Drive account, and this is the new folder you have made. You have created a new folder, and what you have to do, right click on this folder and click on the share, and type in the email ID of your primary Google Drive account. So here I type the primary Google Drive account, and in this option you just put it as editor. Editor have authority to organize, add, edit file, delete file. So whatever the files which is present in this folder can be added, delete or organized by this email ID. So that's why we have to put it on the editor option and click on the send. So once we have done with this, we can open this drive, and let us put some file on this folder. So I'll quickly go to this system and drag and drop a single file. So here is a file. So this file has been uploaded successfully in the secondary Google Drive account and a new folder which is named as my new drive. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we will check whether this folder is available in our primary Google Drive account or not. So here we went to our primary Google Drive account, and you just click on this shared with me option, and you will see that another folder is present, the same name, my new drive. So just right click on it and click on the add shortcut to the drive, and click on the add shortcut. Okay, now go to my drive. So this is a my new drive folder of the secondary Google Drive account. It has been shared to our primary Google Drive account, and this shortcut has been prepared in the drive option only. So when I open it, I will find that this file which has been uploaded in my Google Drive account, secondary Google Drive account, can be seen, can be added or modified from my primary Google Drive account. So if I right click on it, I will have option. I can remove it, I can rename it, I can do anything with this copy. I hope you have understand this cool trick in which we have prepared another Google Drive account, and whatever the files we want to upload, we have to upload in the secondary Google Drive account and share the link of the file to the primary Google Drive account, so that whenever I open my primary Google Drive account, I have access to that file without storing that file into my primary Google Drive account. So this is way to save your storage. I hope this is very helpful to you. So that's for all today's guys. See you in the next one.